Hello, this is Eric from ChastityShop.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solder the pendant eye on a chastity key. This is the open your heart chastity key for a padlock. As you can see, it fits perfectly on the Yale padlock, and I'm going to show you how I'm soldering the pendant eye on the key. This is a 3200 degrees Celsius flame. That's about 5790 degrees Fahrenheit flame. And the solder I use, it's silver solder, and it melts at 750 degrees Celsius. So that's about 1380 degrees Fahrenheit. At this moment I am putting borax in on the key to avoid oxygen to the silver. Yes, because silver doesn't like oxygen. So this is a bit of silver solder I use, and the pendant eye, I've got the pendant eye over here, also with borax in. Now I'm going to heat up the key to about 700 degrees Celsius. This is the silver solder. And the pendant eye over here. And now I'm going to heat up the key to 750 degrees Celsius, so 1380 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I can place the pendant eye on top. It's about 9. Here I am.